Welcome back to my 3 packs a day experiment where I fly 3 packs every day with intention. Not just getting out there and flippy flopping, but thinking about what I'm doing and what I could be doing better. And my hypothesis is that 3 packs a day, just 3 packs every single day, or most days, more than once a week at least, is gonna make you a better freestyle pilot. Let's see if it's true. Oh, by the way, we have pigs now. What's happening? Oh no, what's happening? Oh no! Hello, pigs! Oh yeah? Hello, piggies! Okay, you have to, like, not hit the flippin'. Okay, wow. Well, the first pack's a little rough, I guess. See, I didn't sight in the sight picture at all. This is literally the first pack I've flown today. Do-do-do. Do-do-do, I got a little schmutz on my lens. Schmutz on my lens. I got a little schmutz on my lens. That's okay, it's okay. Doesn't matter, 'cause it's okay. Got a little schmutz on my lens. That's not a great power loop. I win. I win the power loop contest. I would never do that again in a million years. You guys who are watching the 3 packs a day, there are so many like secret little good things in it that I don't make a big deal out of in the thumbnail. That's one of them. I'm gonna clean the lens real quick. That was hilarious. I can't believe I flew out of it. That's the funniest part. I'm just warming up. Really, 3 packs a day. The first pack is always just a warm-up pack, you know? Just getting your fingers in the sticks. Oh, damn, that was smooth, though. That was a smooth, I came out of that really smoothly. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm just gonna walk over and get it. See, I would love to have come back through there, but I don't think that I could have. See, I would love to set that up and come back through or like sideways. That would be pretty cool. I'm starting to get that sight picture down. That was nice. I can be a lot higher than I think. I've been trying to skim the ground, but actually I think I've been way lower than I need to be. Okay, I don't know what happened there. I mean, obviously I hit something. I'm just amazed I didn't crash. Interesting. That was faster too. I'm starting to get the muscle memory for how much to overshoot. Ah, phooey. Woo, son! I wonder how tight I can get that. Pretty tight, but not without hitting the ground. Oh! My lens is messed up. I'm at 3.7 volts. I'm going to keep going though. Too high. I'm getting better at hitting that angle right there, that angle. I'm getting better at hitting that angle. I've just got the sight picture in. I've got the feel for the muscle memory on the fingers is starting to lock in. Whoa! I was so happy to have come over it so cleanly that I just kept looking back at it. Cleanly, so close. I was so close to the, so close to the bar, to the fence post. I was like, "Ooh, that looked really good." And then I just kept staring at it while I was like just tanked into the ground. Oh no. Oh no, I got a bent prop. Doesn't sound good, does it? I got a bent prop like crazy. Let me straighten it back out. Let me fix it. I haven't been that impressed with the blaster motors in the past. I'm just gonna say it. The bearings seem to get really grumbly really fast, but the footage looks okay. I don't know, kind of don't know what to, I'm wearing my blaster, just realized I'm wearing my blaster shirt today too. This was totally not set up. It really wasn't. But I've been flying this Rotor HD1 build and it has the blaster motors on it. They're the motors with the lifetime warranty. Yeah, they're like $28 a piece, which is ridiculous for a motor of this build quality. I'm just going to say it. But they come with a warranty, and then you get new motors if you break them. And in the past, whenever they have gotten grumbly, I've said to Drew, I need new motors. We wouldn't want to have any bad footage in the Rotor Ride episode. And then he gives me new motors. But these ones, I've just been too lazy to change. And as beat to crap as the bearings feel, the footage just keeps staying good, and I don't know what to make of that, to be honest with you. So, blaster motors, link in the video description, I guess. Because, well, yeah, why not? Shilling, hashtag shilling for Rotor Riot. All the times I get accused for shilling for Rotor Riot, the one time I actually do it. And no one's going to see it because nobody is watching these videos. These 3 packs a day videos. Oh my God, oh that's bad. I am gonna smoke one of these motors now though. Well, these props are unhappy. Oh yeah, I hear the jiggly jiggles. The PID controller is unhappy. I really want to keep it tight and clean and smooth. I just want to get as close to it as I can. And come back through, but without that pause. That one, I'm actually really pleased with that one. But I don't want it to have a pause. Yeah. The timing on the fingers is just so important. Dang. All right, new battery. Stick that landing. Well, guys, I'm not gonna just make you watch me do Matty flips for the 2 whole ones in a row. Let me get my 3rd pack. We're gonna do some freestyle. I'll try to work some Matty flips into it though, you know, cause like, right? Where am I gonna Matty? I mean, I've got the timing for that exact Matty flip down, but I'm not sure. I mean, it may not translate very well. Oh, and my prop is screwed up. Do. Woo, son! Nope, I'm not gonna do what you thought I was gonna do. I'm gonna do something else. 'Cause variety's the spice of life. And ending up in the tree sucks. Let's see. Go through here. Hello, chickens. Bye, chickens. Hello, pigs. All right, let's not bother the pigs. Where's a good place to Maddie? I'm supposed to be doing freestyle, though, not just... That was a Maddie. I mean, that counts, doesn't it? Now, this is nice, actually, because... Ooh, that's cool, because you fall away. You can see the trees in front of you. That actually helps you judge your pitch angle. Oh, that's cool. One of my first tutorials ever was split S's over that tree right there. Flat little yaw spin from the other tutorial. Hello. Okay, we don't need to look where we're going. Think I can drop back through this one? Oh, that's pretty freaking tight. That counts, that counts, that counts. I made it through. I didn't disarm and I made it through. I think that counts. The ground rises up, so it's tough to... Oh, son. Who the man? Who the man now, dog? Kids today, we don't understand that reference. All right. I want to set that up so bad. I want to set that up and come through it backwards. I need to swing a little wider. So you come through here, and then you go. I guess you don't have the... No. You just don't have the sight picture on it. You don't have the sight picture on it, unfortunately. I just don't know how you tell your altitude while you're going backwards. You know what I mean? Yes. I wish I could show you guys this prop. Oh my god, the motors are so hot. There's a little game I like to play called Can You Bring It Home? I can't believe I brought that home. Oh man, that's hilarious. Oh, woo, that motor is so hot. All the motors are so hot. Wow. All of the motors are smoking hot. I took it off just so you could see it. This is what I just flew home on. Never mind the other three, which are chewed to crap. That's what I just flew home on. Well, I guess that answers the question of which is more durable. Watermelon props are the Gem Fan 51433 because I put the Gem Fan 51433 in many a tree, and they bent, but I never had them break off at the hub. I'm not saying the watermelon are bad props. I'm not saying any shit talking or starting crap. Please don't. But I cannot believe I came home on that. That's really something. I was gonna do it, guys. That's my 3 packs. The star of the show today, they're the Blaster motors, which, as far as I can tell, still haven't smoked, despite the abuse I just put them through. Happy flying, everybody. What are you doing in here? The least you could do is subscribe or join my Patreon or, here's another video I picked out for you. Jeez.